Hello. This is what is this lang?
This is what it is.
Nashiba Park. We are here in Nashiba Park, and we are only three here.
There are only three. There are many trees.
All the trees is here. See?
Why are we? Yeah, let's go this way.
Okay.
There's Sidora.
See? Hello guys. It's already 12 o'clock. We are already hungry. And Ella is she is requesting what, fried chicken? Ella, you like fried chicken?
Yeah.
See? You can see here there are a lot of chairs empty, and there is a swing here and nobody here. See? There is a jogging track here. Sorry, it's a walking track. So if I won a lotto, we plan to build same in our place, Barangay Rauan, Lanao del Norte. Okay, that is our wish. See here is a big space, and see, hi Ella lang. Saman mo di man mo support sa akong vlog
Oh my
eh.
God.
Oh my
Where
gosh.
are you calling us?
See? See?
Yeah, see, we see.
See and you see. See?
Where is he? Where is he?
It's a big park.
It's not so big.
You can see here. We are heading towards the exit, and we are already here since what time?
Yeah.
Since 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's already 12 noon, and we're hungry. We already finished four rounds of jogging. I would see, check. What is that? There's a bird. See? It's a bird. You can see there. It's a Maya or Tukmo. Tukmo na. Okay. So, Ella, we'll come back tomorrow with the food and with the chair and banig para matulog. Okay. See? Oh, see here. You can check that one. So there is a bird. Yeah, oh my goodness. Okay. There is a Dora ahead of me. Hey Dora. Lang marakag si Dora nang naibag. Dora, to Dora the journey. Ila tala. Dora the explorer,
The park explorer.
the park explorer. Okay. See, this Nashiba Park. Please wear mask. Okay, we are now going out from the park, and see. Okay, that's our car. I'm hungry. See, I'm hungry. Where's the key? Just give me a second. Where's the key? Wait. Okay. Yes. And
Isa tayo ni Dora.
Dora the Explorer.
Si Jigo din na siya.
Okay. So I have to stop this video because I'm gonna drive back to our home. See you.